In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can quickly add images to our newsletter subscribe form. Okay, so perhaps we want to add an image on the right hand side of our form in this empty block. To do that, we just click on Content and we can see all the available content blocks here. Let's select Image. We just drag it and drop it on our desired location. Okay, we've now added an image block and we can just mouse over and click on Browse to choose our image. Let's select an image. Click on Use File. Okay, our image has been added. If we hop over to the Style tab, we can customize how this looks. So perhaps we want it sitting flush with the edge of our form with no margin. We can see here we've got a spacing around this image. Let's drop this down to 0 on the horizontal and 0 on the vertical. Okay, our image is now looking perfect. If we hop back over to Content, you can see you can add an alt tag. This provides a little bit of a description of what the image is. In addition to that, you can also make the image clickable. You can enter a web address, an email address, or a phone number. You don't have to make the image clickable. By default, it's set to none. If you just want it as a normal image that's not a clickable link, just leave it as it is.